I, in today's video, we'll discuss about this question. Describe yourself. It's a common question in every interview. Looks simple, but answer is not that simple. It requires a thorough understanding of the company because the company is not asking just for time pass. Company wants to see whether there is a match between your talents, your strengths, your interests, and that of the company. So you should be able to convince them that you are the right candidate for this. I've been a trainer in 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. The book is written by Stephen R. Covey. The last 12 years, I conducted over 250 two-day batches for corporate managers. And habit 6 talks about seek first to understand, then to be understood. So in this question, you should be able to understand the company and its requirements. And then you will be able to explain to them that how you are the right candidate. How do you understand the company? Obviously, you can't ask the interviewer, tell me about the company, and then I'll tell about myself. No. You should have done your homework by doing research about the company from the company's website, knowing who are the customers of the company, maybe asking some friends, Google, some news about the company. And then you will be able to pick up, okay, this is what company needs and this is what I have. And you can customize your strengths to the needs of the company. Now, I'll talk about strengths. We already discussed about strengths in another video earlier, where it talked about every one of us can have maximum 5 strengths. For example, if I talk about me, my strengths come out as per the Gallup's Tom Rath book, 10 Finder 2.0. My strengths are I'm a developer, I'm a learner, and one more strength is responsibility. Now, developer strength has helped me in the training field. Learner has helped me to continuously learn. That's why I could do MSc in Yoga Science at the age of 66. And responsibility helped me in my naval career for 20 years. So even you should know what are your top 1 or 2 strengths, either by organizing a test for yourself, undergoing a test for yourself, or your friends would have told you, yeah, you are a very good person, you are a good network person, you know a lot of people. Thing that you are able to get that thing. You are a very good presenter, and you present, all of us can understand without any problem. Or no, you can find out what exactly is the problem when there is a problem. Your analytical capability is very high. So based on that, you can answer those people. Find out what you are good at. But just telling that I am an analytical person, I'm a friendly person, I'm a network person, I'm a resourceful person is not good enough. You should be able to give examples of how this is being used. I'll just give a hypothetical example. So you can say, I completed my degree last year. My friends call me as a resourceful person. And working on a project, whenever there's a requirement for getting anything for the project, they turn to me. I have developed a vast network of friends and business people and keep regular touch with them. So whenever a situation arises when I need help with advice or some item required, I know whom to consult and I get it soon. The last semester college project, our team of 4 members had to collect data from different banks. I called some friends who are working in banks and financial institutions, and they arranged for at least 50% of the meetings. So I'm a resourceful person. I'm a network person. I'm a friendly person. I've asked for resources. They give it to me because I don't ask them whenever I need, but just whenever I need. I am in touch with them, even to say hello. So whenever I call, they know it is not just for work, that this person wants to keep in regular touch. That's what I am. And always picks positive traits. And he said, describe yourself, don't tell all negative points about yourself, not even one single negative. The interview find out what is your negative. There are some good words you can bank upon, but don't use all of them, just use 1 or 2 of them, depending upon whether it is suiting to you. You can say I'm an ambitious person, I'm a methodical person, I'm a positive person, I'm a detail-oriented person. But then you should be able to give example of where I use this talent of yours in solving a problem. So preparation in advance and not one standard answer depending upon the company's requirements. You need to prepare. And you want to know more about this question and many other questions, you can consult me free of cost on a 30-minute Zoom call. To book a call, please visit the website calendly.com/Vijay. So all the best in your interview preparation.